you're looking for comfort and campus proximity in one minimalistic package, then 34715 Orlando is just what you need. Your cozy new non-ensuite offers you a spacious bed for restful nights, reach-in closet to organise your style, dedicated workspace for maximum productivity, seating for comfortable lounging, and ceiling fans plus mini fridge for added convenience. Water, electricity, heating, and speedy Wi-Fi are all included in your rent. Unwind in the backyard with a game or some music after a long day of studying. If you've got a big pile of laundry to tackle, facilities are available on site to sort that for you. Head to the communal dining area to enjoy your meals with friends. Driveway parking is available if you're bringing your wheels along. And don't worry about safety, smoke detectors, and firestops present on site. Here's the best part. Valencia College and Advent Health University are just a short drive away. With nearby buses and a train from Orlando Station, getting around the city is a breeze. Secure your life at 34715 Orlando via amberstudent.com